Hello everyone, welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you another China-exclusive Xiaomi theme pack. You can install on Xiaomi devices running the global ROM. With the solution I'm sharing, you can use China-exclusive themes permanently on Xiaomi phones, running the global ROM without them reverting to the default. You can use this solution on Xiaomi phones running MIUI 13 or later. All you need to do is download the backup file I've included in the video description. Then use the backup and restore method to install the China-exclusive theme on Xiaomi devices running the global ROM. I've also included a step-by-step tutorial in the video description. Feel free to check it out if you're not sure how to do it. Now, before we go ahead with the backup and restore process, let's take a look at some of the standout features of today's theme. To change the lock screen wallpaper of the theme, follow these steps. All the themes featured in this video are included in a single backup file, available in the video description. You can check this out if you're not sure how to install China-exclusive themes on Xiaomi devices running the global ROM. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.